Hey guys! Welcome to one of our Ninja Monkey tutorials for TwinCAT 3. My name is Yeknam.
And my name is Ajnan. We are the Ninja Monkeys from ekvip. And today, we will do a short video in which we explain how you can create a PLC project in TwinCAT 3.
First you need to open or create a TwinCAT project file. We will open an existing project. If you don't know how to create a project, we have a video for this too. It's linked in the description. On the left side we find the Solution Explorer. Here we select the PLC node or right-click on it. In the menu you select the command, Add New Item. A new dialog opens. Here you can select a PLC template. Click on Standard PLC Project. Enter a name for your project. In our case we will call it Ninja PLC. You can also browse for an location. Now we click on Add. The selected template automatically creates a main program, which is called by a task. Structured text is automatically selected as the programming language.
Interesting to know, under References you will find some important standard libraries in the Library Manager. The TC2 standard library contains all the functions and function blocks described by the IEC 61131-3 standard. Well done! You created your first PLC project. Thanks for watching us. If you want to learn more about TwinCAT 3, watch our other videos and subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss new content, hit the bell. Bye-bye.
Bye.